Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about cosine 2x equals to 1 minus 2 sine x squared. So I need to transform this one into this one. So I will put this one gold here. So 1 minus 1, we cancel negative with negative, you got about positive. The square root of number 2 sine x squared, you got about sine x in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have cosine x dx. This one we change by u. Cosine x dx we change by du. The integration of this one, we have 1 over the square root of number 2 ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.